Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Way to Learn. I'm Shalja Tripathi and today's lecture include difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Remain focused and follow the lecture. See, difference between aerobic and anaerobic. The first point you have studied in your lower classes also. So the first point is that aerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen and anaerobic takes place in absence of oxygen. Second important point is that during aerobic respiration, complete oxidation of glucose takes place. This is very important. Complete oxidation of glucose takes place, and complete oxidation will result in the formation of carbon dioxide and water with the release of energy. Third important point is that during aerobic respiration, more energy is released, 18 times more than anaerobic respiration. So net 36 molecules of ATP are produced. Aerobic respiration takes place partly in cytoplasm and partly in mitochondria. The part which takes place in cytoplasm is called glycolysis, that we already discussed in previous lecture, that conversion of glucose into pyruvate molecule. So one glucose molecule will produce two pyruvate molecules, and this process is called glycolysis, which takes place in in cytoplasm. The remaining process of production of energy takes place in mitochondria, which is also called powerhouse of the cell. See, anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen, and here incomplete oxidation of glucose takes place. So this is very important, incomplete oxidation of glucose. So incomplete oxidation will result in the formation of ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energy is released, and this process, when these are the products, we call it a fermentation. It takes place in yeast. If the product is lactic acid, then we have already studied that anaerobic respiration in muscles lead to formation of lactic acid, which causes soreness in muscles. Okay. Less energy is produced during this process, that is 2 ATP molecules are generated, and it takes place in cytoplasm. So the whole process of anaerobic respiration is completed in cytoplasm, while in anaerobic it partly takes place in cytoplasm and partly in mitochondria. Next, we'll take up difference between breathing and respiration. So these are few of the important questions which are often asked in your board exam. So you may take a snapshot. So next is difference between breathing and respiration. Do prepare these questions well. Next is difference between breathing and respiration. Respiration is sometimes also referred to as cellular respiration. So let's see. When we say breathing, it generally refers to taking in of oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. That is obtaining oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. So make the first point, mechanism by which organism by which organisms obtain oxygen from atmosphere and release CO2. Respiration, it involves exchange of gases. It involves exchange of gases. That is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Inside the lungs. Second, breathing is a physical process. Respiration, it is a chemical process. Chemical process of oxidation of glucose. Chemical process of oxidation of glucose to release energy. Energy for various life processes or various body functions. So breathing is basically mechanism to obtain the gases, and respiration involves exchange of gases. Breathing is physical process, respiration is chemical process. These are the few keywords that should be in your answer. Hope you understood the lecture well. Please like, share and subscribe and enable the notification bell. Thank you so much.